In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Instagram mention not working problem. Let's get started. First, update your Instagram app. So launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. With this, your problem might be resolved. Next up, report problem to Instagram customer support. For that, launch your Instagram. Navigate to profile page, then click on three bars given at the top right. Now, scroll all the way down. Navigate to the option Help. Then click on the option Report a problem. Click on the option Report problem without checking. Click on Don't Include and continue. Now here briefly explain about the issue that you are unable to mention anyone in your story or the post, and then send it. With that, Instagram support team will get back to you. Lastly, what you want to do is completely delete your Instagram app from device and reinstall it. Press and hold on the Instagram app, select delete app, click on remove app, then click on delete. Now launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Instagram and then install it. And that's it. These are some fixes for Instagram mention not working problem. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.